I knew it.
Popping ass open. Booty sweat available at concessions now.
I just knew it, boys. And here we are. Supreme and Ducati part 2, baby. We got full range of apparel to look at today. Guys, we got a track jacket, racing jacket, soccer jersey, track pants, 2 t-shirts, 6-panel hat. That's 4 more than 2 panels. I cannot wait to get into this entire collection of items beyond what we saw yesterday from Ducati's made-to-order racing stuff. The exclusive stuff, right? The stuff for riders. Now, finally, a real Supreme collection. The stuff for posers. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I want to remind you guys to please hit like on the video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get up to date every single time I go live. I will be doing a video live copying Supreme X Ducati. So comment down below what you think I should go for, what you guys are going for, and hope to see you guys there on Thursday because this is the most exciting drop for me this season, at least so far. All right, in addition to the performance collection, which that's a cool name, Supreme's worked with Ducati and Aldo Drudy on a track jacket and all those items I listed at the beginning of the video. There we go. So first order of business right here, this fella. Ooh, looks like this is the racing jacket. That is literally what the picture looks like. It looks like a bright flash on a very dark image. I'm not really sure, but we have a Shell logo, Brembo and Pirelli, which is cool. Arai helmets. I love the sponsorships. This jacket is pretty tight. I don't know if it's one that I would go for, but man, look at this blue denim edition. What an interesting kind of dichotomy between the red of Ducati and Supreme and then the blue denim, which is having quite a year. I don't know how I feel about it, but I kind of like it. Just on first glance, off rip. Zip up right there, Ducati in a navy blue. I think the blue denim is a great alternative to someone who doesn't want the loud and in your face of the red and the racing kind of beating you over the head. This is kind of more of a sleeper. We have a black on red Ducati zip up with some pants. Supreme on the left sleeve right there. Ducati appears to be embroidered. Boom, look at that track jacket, baby. Come on, Ducati 1 Supreme V4. I don't know if this is a reference to that, but anytime a number 1 is used in motorsport, typically it is for the previous reigning world champion. Like Max Verstappen currently runs 1 because he won last year's Drivers' Championship. And then in Supercross, it's the same thing. So for the driver that previously won the Supercross season, they get to rock number 1. So that is a significant number in motorsport for sure. This guy looks crazy. The speed. Look at the hat right there. Can't exactly see the hat, but track jacket is looking very dope. Look at the pants. 4 logos right there. I almost have to go for at least the pants, and when I'm going for the pants, I'm going for the full fit. This black looks really clean. Yeah, it's been a while since I've copped a new tracksuit, honestly, like a number of years. So I'm really leaning towards this. This blue is so clean too. We'll have to just make some financial decisions. I just got a new credit card from American Express, guys, and you best believe I'm trying to get that cash back. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. I'm really stoked about this. This looks amazing. Look at the Supreme on the butt right there. That looks just crazy. The number 1, can you not really read it on the black one? I don't know. It kind of looks like it might be the case, but man, guys, we're 9 out of 60 photos right now, so strap in. We got a good one today. Holy cow. And here is the fit, man. Look at the jersey with the gloves and right on the racetrack. I swear, dude, they better do something with MotoGP. I need to actually start watching MotoGP. I've heard from so many people it is one of the most competitive and exciting race series out there. Very short races, and they just fucking full send it, which I love. But the Ducati jersey, we're finally seeing it in another colorway besides white. The red looks so good in these gloves. Oh, there's dope. Look at that shit. The freaking carbon fiber knuckles protect your hands. I mean, you could probably use that as like a melee build. I don't know. It depends on how you're speccing your character, but you could potentially run that. Could be viable. We'll see. Season 4 meta. Yeah, it's looking like it could be an option for sure. Obviously, the Supreme Ducati hat as well. Looking very clean. V4. Yeah. Oh, the Supreme on the back, dude. Look at that spell out. Guys, you know I'm obviously just creaming my pants for this, so if you haven't already, hit like, subscribe, get in here for real this time. right? Come on in, trickle on in, and let me know what you think of this collaboration so far. I love it. Blue jersey, it's not bad. It's really not bad at all. I think all these colorways so far, the only one I've been kind of hesitant on was the full-on racing jacket in the denim. I was kind of like unsure on it at first, but there we go with the spidey senses. He's getting alert to that danger. He's keeping his eye out for bricks, just absolutely dodging them at every turn, making sure he's only copping heaters. I also love the fingerprint logo right there. We saw that on the helmet, and it returns on the jersey, and I believe number of these different pieces. Here is one of the t-shirts, which is awesome. I think this is the Logos t-shirt. It's a classic grocery list of sponsors: Shell gas stations, Pirelli, Brembo, Supreme, Arai. Obviously, Shell is a big motorsports and gasoline company. They've been teaming up with Ferrari for years, so I'm guessing they have similar Italian ties to Ducati. Pirelli, very well-known tire manufacturer, current title F1 tire manufacturer. Their tires outside of motorsport are pretty much limited to high-performance cars and like Ferraris, Lamborghinis a lot of times. I bought Pirellis for a bit. I'm actually more of a Team Michelin guy, if I had to be completely honest, if we're talking about a road car, and that's a whole nother story though. And then Brembo brakes. You guys know I got myself the Brembo kit on the Civic Si. Big brake kit. We had to do it from an accurate TL Type S, because if you're on track in a slow car, driving a slow car fast is fun until you get into that corner and then you realize I need to slow down. So recommend you guys get yourself some new brakes on your car if you're trying to go fast. And then Arai helmets, of course, one of the better Japanese helmet brands out there, very well renowned, and that's the little story about all those brands. Okay, the Supreme Ducati shirt, very cool. We love this guy. I probably won't be going for any of the shirts, to be honest. I mean, maybe throwing one in extra, we'll see. But this is a type of a collab where I think you can get burned really easily on the shirts. Like, don't waste your time, in my opinion. All the stuff that's gonna resell, guys, is gonna be these higher end cut and sew pieces, I'm telling you. Like this guy right here, hooded racing jacket. From farther back, it actually looks better in this blue denim colorway. I actually really like it. I fuck with it. Very cool. Ducati on the back, just nice and clean. I like it. Obviously got the sponsors on the side sleeves, but at the back, it's just Ducati. I think the red with the white looks a little bit better. I won't be going after this piece per se. I think this will be the most expensive one. I do think it is a great piece, solid one. I just really like the track jacket, I'm gonna be honest. And then in black as well. I think this could be the best one out of all three of these. We'll see. I feel like the red stuff is going to do exceptionally well. We've seen it all in the promotional material. The bike is red, etc. And I feel like it's just a matter of time since a red on red colorway just was the best one, you know what I'm saying? Shot of all three of them from the back, boy oh boy. Here's the track jacket. I think this is the best piece for sure. It really reminds me of some of Palace's best stuff, with especially the piping right there. And then the stripes look so sick. And I feel like you could actually wear this in the summertime, you know, mornings or afternoons type of a deal. This blue, this baby blue is freaking growing on me. But man, what colorway should I go for, guys? I really need some help in the comments down below. I'm leaning heavily towards the black. I think the black one it's just stone freaking cold, man. But the blue looks really nice too. White is a little bit too much, I think. It looks really good, but an all white tracksuit would get just so dirty so fast, even though I really like the way it looks. Looking from the back though, I do think the blue one looks exceptional, especially with the navy. Here is the soccer jersey, which I'm also probably going to go for one of these. I think you can really afford to kind of ball out on this one. I recommend signing up for an ACO slot. I got my boy Rehab23's link in the description down below. Not paid, not sponsored. He's just helped out Fauntleroy's finest community for a long time. He's helped out some of you guys in my community. So I'm going to put a link down there for him to get all his information. If you guys want some additional assistance trying to cop this stuff when the release happens, because ultimately, like, I'm going for this stuff manually, and just look at these 4 jersey colorways. They look amazing. Out of all of these, I kind of like the white one the most, just maybe because I saw it first and seen that skate video. Just the white jersey looked really sick, and for a personal piece, that would be dope to actually match with these soccer shorts that I didn't buy the matching top with. This would actually match perfectly with it. I probably will go for this soccer jersey right there. But yeah, I recommend signing up for a bot if you guys really want something. Obviously, you can still go for manual, and worst comes to worst, even if you're not a big reseller, you cop 2 of the same thing, or you get multiples of one item, you can keep one on ice and maybe sell it down the road, or sell it to get your item for free, essentially. Never hurts to do that. That's kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm probably gonna resell some of the stuff that I get, kind of make a decision what I want to keep. In my head, it's telling me you gotta sell the track jacket, you gotta sell the gloves or something, but my Supreme addict brain is like, no, you must keep it all. You must buy a Supreme motorcycle, take out a crazy personal loan with the bank. Maybe we'll do that someday. Taking out a personal loan at the bank, emotional, right? I took out a loan to pay for Supreme. Anyway, track bands are sick. Obviously, I think you should go for the full fit. This collab especially, I think just looks incredible. What do you guys think so far of all these items? Which of the track pants and track jackets should I get? Once again, and this is that original artwork by Aldo Drudy, which is Drudy Performance, I think. Is this guy an artist slash performance tuner or something? I'm also guessing this hands-on logo, this fingerprint logo, I'm calling it right now, that is Drudy's logo. Okay, so Drudy Performance actually is a legit designer. He does MotoGP. Right now, he's just teasing Supreme stuff. It looks like his logo is, in fact, let's look. Bada bing. There it is. Racing Helmets Garage, Drudy Performance. All right, I don't know why I needed to look at that, but I was curious about the logo, folks. And there it is. And there's the bike tee. Honestly, the bike tee is pretty cool. I think it's worth it to cop. In terms of resale, I don't think that will do as well as this one. I actually might go for this t-shirt. I said I wasn't going for a t-shirt, but for some reason, these sponsor logos are kind of sick. They're kind of growing on me. So I might just throw that in the cart, maybe with my re-up order, maybe with my personal cop. The hat is pretty cool too. Yeah, I don't know, man. There's so much. I have to take a couple items to skip. I would say probably skip the hat, skip the t-shirts. There's so much other cool stuff like the jersey, the tracksuit, and the gloves and the helmet. Like, dude, what else is there to say, boys? This is a freaking awesome collab. And let's close out the video. So we finally got to see all the items from Supreme and Ducati. And honestly, I'm very pleasantly surprised. I woke up this morning and looked at Instagram and didn't see any posts quite yet. But then I went to supreme.com and I saw that first image and I was like, it's video time, boys. I can't tell you how exciting that feeling is. I'm just so super stoked to see Supreme teaming up with this motorsport brand, a brand with so much Italian racing heritage. It's no surprise because obviously they've collaborated with Lamborghini in the past, and we continue to see the heights that Supreme goes to, and I'm just excited that we're still here in 2024, 30 years after this brand's inception, and we get to experience a collaboration such as Ducati and Supreme. Anytime someone mentions Supreme is dead or the brand is going downhill, I'm copping other things. I just laugh because here we are, you and me, on this video today, enjoying talking about, collaborating on, and just experiencing this awesome Ducati collaboration. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like the video, comment if you liked, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the live stream on Thursday. And spoiler alert, I'm going back home to the Midwest, so we will be on a scuffed little setup. Catch you then. Peace.